Welcome to Aware Consumer. Today, we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards to bring you the best options for 2024. Finding the perfect keyboard can be a challenge, so we've carefully selected the top picks for you. And just a quick reminder, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. We're aiming to reach 1,000 subscribers, and your support can make a huge difference. Now, let's get into the video and take a look at the best mechanical keyboards. Best mechanical keyboard. Keychron Q5 Max. The best all-around mechanical keyboard we've tested is the Keychron Q5 Max. This wireless keyboard has premium-feeling construction, a heavyweight aluminum case, and top-of-the-line typing quality right out of the box. It offers versatile wireless connectivity, supporting Bluetooth, which provides the best battery life and support for multi-device pairing, or a 2.4 GHz connection, which offers excellent raw performance that can easily handle casual or competitive gaming. It also has a double gasket-mounted design, which means the interior components are all held between shock-absorbing rubber pieces. This provides a softer, slightly cushioned typing experience without the abrupt sensation of bottoming out your key presses. There are even additional layers of sound-dampening foam sandwiched between components inside, which further helps round out the sound profile and minimize case ping. That said, although the stabilizers come pre-lubed from the factory, we did notice they sound a bit inconsistent on the unit we bought and tested. It's also worth noting that the Q5 Max is only one size variant in Keychron's wider Q Max series, which offers a range of other sizes and layouts. Each entry in the series offers virtually the same experience, so we recommend checking out Keychron's website to browse for a size and layout that best fits your needs. Each variant is also designed to be fully customizable and includes a small toolkit and impressively thorough instruction materials to walk you through its setup and functionality. You can fully deconstruct your keyboard and replace switches and sound-dampening material, re-lube the stabilizers to even out their sound performance, or swap out the keycaps if you crave a more personalized keyboard experience. Best upper mid-range mechanical keyboard. Razer Pro Type Ultra. For a less expensive option at an upper mid-range price point, we recommend the Razer Pro Type Ultra. This wireless model has a straightforward but refined design that blends well into an office or home environment. Unlike the Keychron Q5 Max, this keyboard includes a wrist rest in the box, which can help reduce fatigue and minimize wrist strain, especially if you're at your keyboard for long stretches at a time. However, the other standout difference between this keyboard and our top pick is that it doesn't offer anywhere near the same degree of hardware customizability. It also has a plastic rather than solid aluminum case and doesn't quite deliver the same high-end typing feel because it has a stiffer-feeling, traditional top-mount design and cheaper-feeling ABS keycaps. That said, much like our top pick, this keyboard's conservative design also hides a surprising gaming performance, making it a great choice for your home setup to get some well-deserved gaming time when you're off the clock. Also, this keyboard is only available with linear switches. While these switches are quiet and smooth to type on, they don't have the tactile bump some typists prefer. Best mid-range mechanical keyboard. NuPhy Air75 V2. This keyboard is an incredible mechanical keyboard at a solid mid-range price point. It isn't currently available from most online retailers, but you can find it on NuPhy's website. This compact mechanical unit features excellent build quality and a slim, surprisingly ergonomic, and comfortable design, even without a wrist rest. Its low-profile keycaps are also very thin, but feel very stable and pleasant to type on, and their low profile ensures you don't have to strain your hands upwards to reach them. This compact keyboard makes a great choice if you're looking for an on-the-go unit or if you find yourself moving workstations throughout the day. With its excellent wireless connectivity options, you don't have to worry about bringing a cable around. You can pair the keyboard with up to 3 devices using Bluetooth or use it with its included USB receiver. Its battery capacity isn't one of its strong suits, so you can expect to charge it somewhere between every couple of days and once a week, depending on your usage. NuPhy also offers this keyboard in several different sizes, including the smaller NuPhy Air60 V2 and the larger NuPhy Air96 V2. Best cheap mechanical keyboard. KLUDGE RK61. For an even cheaper option, we recommend the KLUDGE RK61. This lightweight keyboard has a tiny footprint, making it a great companion for smaller workspaces or use on the go. It's a wireless unit that supports multi-device pairing with up to 3 devices using Bluetooth, so you don't have to worry about cables except when charging. Speaking of charging, this keyboard's major weak point is its battery life, although it can last up to 10 hours before recharging. While this keyboard doesn't offer the same premium-feeling build quality as some of the options above, it does have a hot swappable PCB, which means you can pull out the stock switches and replace them with switches you prefer to control how your keyboard feels and sounds. A hot swappable PCB also allows you to easily replace broken or malfunctioning switches without soldering anything, which can increase the lifespan of your keyboard. You can also buy a few different variants of this keyboard with various wireless connectivity options and backlighting colors. These options can help you save money if you don't need RGB lighting or a USB receiver. Best mechanical keyboard for gaming: SteelSeries Apex Pro. If you're a mechanical keyboard lover looking for the best pick for gaming, look no further than the SteelSeries Apex Pro. This keyboard's switches use magnets to register key presses rather than a fixed physical mechanism. This technology lets you precisely adjust every key's actuation and reset points, effectively adjusting how sensitive each key press is. In practice, if you want a super-sensitive WASD cluster for movements while gaming, you can set the actuation point down to 1 mm. You can also create a profile with deeper actuation points on all keys for typing. While the actuation point is one of the, no pun intended, key features of this keyboard, it also has a whole host of other features, like incredibly low latency, USB pass-through to plug in a headset or mouse dongle, a nice wrist rest, a volume wheel, and even an OLED screen in the top right corner to display GIFs and system or keyboard settings. Thank you for watching our review of the best mechanical keyboards for 2024. I hope this guide helps you find the perfect keyboard to enhance your typing or gaming experience. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Aware Consumer and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on our future reviews and recommendations. See you in the next video.